Why does your scanner show the P048B engine code? What does it mean? P048B is a diagnostic trouble code for exhaust pressure control valve A position, sensor or switch circuit. The P048B code means your vehicle's engine computer has detected a malfunction in the exhaust pressure control valve position sensor or switch circuit. This valve manages exhaust back pressure to help the engine warm up faster, improve cabin heating, and assist in cold starts. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle: poor electrical connections, faulty sensors, PCM failure, faulty EPC valve, damaged wiring. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Ford, Audi, Dodge, Chevrolet, and Toyota. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.